Hi everyone, let's start. Open VS Studio, and for testing I create a file. So this is my HTML file. I will run it for default browser. Okay, so you need to confirm by opening default browser live server. So we need to install this extension live server for easy to use your project opening. So I already installed this live server. If you don't do, just simply search live server, then install. First work done, then you need to go JSON setting. Just simply there is a two-way. Go to shortcut or Control plus comma. Then you see right side or left side this JSON icon. Click JSON. Okay, I go another option, just left or right side. Do you see the gear icon managing? Just click gear icon, then click settings. Okay, the same place, then go open JSON file. Here is your all vscode setting here. So I need to set default browser. You search available default browser setting still or not. You can search, click edit and find, or you can shortcut Ctrl F. So I need to set browser. So I type browser. So no result, meaning there is no setting default browser. If you find default browser, then you directly go this place and edit. So now I will set this line value, just a comma, line ending, then open new line and type double quotation, then type live server. Live server dot browse. Here is the auto selection, live server dot setting dot custom browser. Then you choose a browser. I want to choose Firefox for default browser. So my work set done, and now need save. Click file or press save or shortcut key Ctrl S. So this save is done. Now I check. Now I check this project to run. I hope at this moment default browser settings Mozilla. Go live. Yeah, this is Mozilla Firefox. I already set my default browser. If you want to set Google Chrome, again go settings, just change Chrome and save. Again open. Yeah, this is open Google Chrome. So I hope you already set your default browser. So thank you.